What is up, guys? It is me, Clipsy GT, and in today's video, we're going to be playing with my
ballerina,
my friend from school, and we're gonna just be doing some fun stuff together. So yeah, where do you want to go?
Hold on. Come here. I have to say something to the live stream.
His name is
Don't
Joseph
say my name.
Chad.
Don't say my name. Ready? Alright, let's go.
Okay, where do you want to go first?
Sewers run.
That's
So
just his
mimic
username.
run so we basically
Don't hit that.
Ow.
Sorry.
Wait, so basically we want
We're just gonna play
beat sewers run, and then we want to beat both of the obstacle courses, and then we want to go back.
Yep.
Because I do not want to beat them.
Whee!
My booty just bounced me up, dog.
Come on,
what if I
hit
touch
these,
this?
hit these for money. No, hit the gray ones.
I'm alive.
The gray ones. They give you 500 each time you hit it.
Alright,
If you have a
let's
better
go.
picture.
Alright. You want to go kill Red Light Green Light now?
Ow! Wait, let me get up here.
Oh, that's diamond! I got 6 diamonds! I have 6 purple diamonds. I'm killing the chicken.
Whee!
Let's go frying pan go flying.
Did you know that the chicken is actually really rare, but nobody even cares about it?
You want to come now? To Red Light Green Light?
Yeah, come on.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
So we can move
Ow.
behind walls.
Okay. Ow, you're hitting me! Get on the roof!
Sorry. Maybe you should. Woo! Okay, you distract him. Distract him.
Get out of his sight!
Oh, I got company coins.
Come to me! Keep on going like this! Harder!
Woo! Oh my gosh! I just got a research point.
Come here!
Yo, dude, let me break these.
Yo,
Oh shoot, this is a big risk.
Bro, come here!
Ah!
No, come here! Come here!
Okay, I'm coming.
Get out of his sight! Then he'll walk away and then we can just...
Okay, come on.
Shoot! Oh my. I can move right here, right? I'm not gonna move when you're right there. I got him! Nice! Oh, open
Got
the
him.
crate. Open the crate, open the crate. No! My pickaxe!
Why would you just drop the pickaxe? Wee.
I want
Okay,
to
come on, let's go.
Hey.
Dude, I cannot believe.
It's a bird!
Baller. Oh. Wee.
That's letting you use?
Okay. Make sure not to die. Make sure to not freaking die.
Oh yeah, when I couldn't join you in that one game, I think
Oh my god.
oh yeah, I'm banned from Scary Baboon now. Help me!
No, don't hurt him.
Hurt it! That's a bomb!
No.
It didn't kill the mimic! Are you dead? Are you dead?
Yes, I'm dead.
Come back!
I'm coming. Giggly. Reese's Puff. Eat him up. Hey, Macklemore, can we go thrift shopping? Reese's Puff, Reese's Puff. Eat 'em up, eat 'em up, eat 'em up. Wait.
I died, dude. Wait for me.
Okay.
My stuff in the front.
The front?
Yeah, the guy with. Do you have your left slot on? Do you have like your right and left slot where you can put like flashlights and stuff?
Oh my god. I think I just see like a.
Yo, Carter.
Here's your backpack. Here's your backpack. It's right here. It's right here. It's right here.
What happened?
Everything's in. The mimic just scared. Just took my life away but not like really.
Come here. Do you have your right slot unlocked like right here?
No, but I'm about to get it because I have 4.
Wait, no. Can you hold this?
Okay, yeah, I'll hold it.
I'll go running and grab your stuff. Guard my
Yeah, you
stuff.
go grab it. I'll like
I'm
throw
gonna go
it.
running. Give me the flashlight. No, give me the flashlight and go guard myself. Give me the flashlight. Give me my pickaxe.
Reese's Puff, Reese's Puff. Eat 'em up, eat 'em up, eat 'em up. I got you, bro. Move. Oh!
I killed the mimic with the rocket.
Okay, I got your stuff all right here. Make sure not to
thanks.
Ooh.
Oh, is that yours?
Hey.
Where's my stuff? Is my
I think
backpack here?
Oh, my thing.
WT.
This is mine.
Alright, bye.
Okay, come on, we gotta go.
Wait, what?
Come on. Come on. Grab the light.
I can't. I don't need my pickaxe right now.
Yeah, you don't really. Come on.
I need parkour.
You really need that flashlight, dude. Just put it in your slot. Put it in your slot.
I don't have a slot.
Oh. Wee.
I don't even have Do you have grapplers unlocked?
Ha.
Do you have grapplers unlocked?
No. But I'm about to get woo. I thought. Okay.
Did you fall?
Dude. No.
Yeah.
But I might have to delete some of my videos because I don't really have that much space left to make videos. Oh,
You can make how much videos you want, though.
Yeah. So we might have to end the video soon, but not super duper soon. Okay, we can just walk on this. I am a
Gorilla Tag!
Woo! Go.
All right, now should we go? Should we go back?
Sorry.
That's Toasty's girlfriend. I don't like Toasty's girlfriend.
Just Toasty's girlfriend.
No, look it, bro.
Wait, how do we go back?
We didn't have to do this. Come here. Crying in mud, and I can see the one to lose. No, come here. You gotta go back all the way up. Ah!
You did not die.
I died, dude.
Oh. No! I saw your dang thing, bro.
I just fell.
No, you didn't.
I'm crying. What the flip is happening? Why is Toasty's girlfriend right there?
Bro, keep your light on!
Dude, I can't. Toasty's girlfriend's gonna show up.
Only if we're around.
I'm crying in my room, and I could be the. Now we have to get back up.
This is how the story goes.
I fell. I fell.
Nope. I'm dying myself too.
A grappler and pickaxe. Back to spawn.
Okay.
Wait, did you fall?
I fell on purpose because I got too scared. I got way too scared, dude.
Now you don't have anything.
I know. Do you want to do naked run without anything? Naked run is like you don't like take anything with you. You only have to use.
We need a
these things.
flashlight.
Yeah.
Well, let's
do you
take a
think we
picture.
should
Let's take
keep
a picture.
making the video? Or no?
No. We should end it.
Yeah. So we'll
ready?
see you in the next video, guys. So I might edit this video. I'm not really good at editing. And yeah. So bye, guys.
Let's see what's inside.